Okay, we're going to go over how to solve this equation. So first things first, on the left side, you want to make it all one fraction. So you're going to multiply by something so that you can have a common denominator. And so you'll notice that these two denominators are completely different. And so you can multiply by each other's denominators to make a common denominator. So I'm multiplying this one by x minus 4 over x minus 4. And then this one, I'm going to multiply by x plus 4 over x plus 4. And again, that's from each of the opposite uh, fractions. So over here, you end up with x squared minus 4x over, and then over here, you end up with x plus 4 times x minus 4, and then plus 4x plus 16 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4. And this is supposed to equal x squared plus 16 over x squared minus 16. And so we add all this up, and we end up with x squared, and then it's minus 4x plus 4x, and so that's going to be plus 0, and then plus 16 over x plus 4 times x minus 4 equals x squared plus 16 over x squared minus 16. At this point, you should be noticing that the x squared minus 16 factors into a difference of squares. And so what you should actually notice is that everything is exactly the same. And if it took you a little longer to realize everything was exactly the same, so if you like multiplied both sides and then you subtracted and stuff, and you end up with two things that equal to each other, what that means is that any number you plug into x should get you the same thing on both sides. And so if that's the case, then x can be any number. And so we say x is in the set of all real numbers such that, and you'll notice that there's some factors in the denominator there. And so since they're in the denominator, those factors can't equal 0. And so, for example, x plus 4 can't equal 0, and x minus 4 can't equal 0 because you can't divide by 0. And so you have x does not equal negative 4 or 4. Okay, so x is in the set of all real numbers such that x does not equal negative 4 or 4 is going to be your answer. Okay, so you can also write that in words and just say x is all real numbers except negative 4 and 4. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions in the chat. Happy day.